Suction line's ice cold. I don't know why it's saying 82 degrees. Guess I gotta point at the right spot. Over 100 degrees of air coming out of there. It's about 83 degrees outside. We'll let this one run a little bit, allow it to remove the humidity from inside the house, and I guess we'll go ahead and fire up the other main level system. See all those petals flying everywhere. And that's already ice cold. Air's not as hot on this one, about 95 degrees. Like last year, I'll probably fire up the heat pumps in cool mode for the first time sometime in May, depending on when we get our first heat wave. There's your Goodman logo right there. And yeah, that was the first startup of the annual first startup of the main level systems in cool mode on Friday, March 24th, 2023. Before I wrap up this video, I kind of want to see how cold the air coming out of the vents might be. Several of these vents have their traps stuck in a certain position, so don't mind that. This is for the first unit I started up. That one over there. You can see it running. Air's not quite as strong on this one. Turn it up a degree. Here's one of the vents for the second unit. Can't believe my units will be 15 years old this year. But yeah, overall they're working great. Can't wait to see how they perform this summer. And yeah, I guess that's gonna be it.